Hey, lovelies! It's another week, and you all know it's a blessed one already, yeah? So, come with me as I get ready for work. Today is Monday, so I decided to make a mini video of myself styling my natural hair because in the black community, your hair is your crown. It's a symbol of pride and culture. Black natural hair can be coily, coiled, wavy, or straight and beautifully styled with just as much diversity. So, from generation to generation, many black parents teach their children to love their hair and to love the texture of their natural hair. This is me just making a mini video of how I style my natural hair. So, I've been seeing a lot of videos online how to style your natural hair, and I'm like, this is what I do all the time, but I never film it. So, I decided to film it today. So this is me trying to lay my edges. I don't know how to lay the edges the way